Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss adding a favicon. We'll cover what is a favicon and how you can add it in Titan Web. A favicon, short for favorite icon, is a small 16 by 16 pixel icon used on web browsers to represent a website or a web page. They're also found on your browser's bookmark bar, history, and in search results alongside the page URL. By default, Titan projects include this icon. Titan allows you to add a favicon to serve as your website's icon or a visual identifier. It can be added from the project settings under Site Elements. Enable Custom Favicon. Once that is enabled, you can set the image. Choose an existing image or upload a new one. I'll choose the existing image of a monkey. It's now enabled. I'll refresh the page, and we can see right here that our newly selected icon is now set. And that is how it's done.